Ayun, nandito naman po si First Lieutenant Larisma. Tanungin naman natin siya kung ano po ang kanyang 3 tips to be a successful Philippine Air Force. Sir!
Okay, yung first 3 tips ko for you to become a successful Philippine Air Force officer is unang-una dapat meron kang discipline. Discipline, ito yung magmomold sa'yo to become a good leader. Second is passion. So, siyempre, dapat pag passionate ka sa ginagawa mo, supposedly, magiging successful ka. And then lastly, yung credibility. So, for you to become a Philippine Air Force officer, successful Philippine Air Force officer, dapat credible ka sa lahat ng iyong gagawin.
First Lieutenant Larisma, pag Air Force ka ba, nagpapalipad ba lahat ng helicopter?
Hindi naman. Pag Philippine Air Force ka, meron kaming mga different fields, specialization fields na tinatawag. So kami sa Air Force Reserve Command, more on molding or training the reservists.
Ayun, salamat First Lieutenant Larisma.
Sige, thank you.
Salamat.